Good morning, students. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study Science of Class 10th, Chapter number 11, The Human Eye and the Colorful World. Part 11, it is on your book page number 193 to 194. In this video, we will discuss about dispersion of white light by a glass prism. So, how the light gets split into 7 colors. Okay, which light? White light. Okay, so white light is constituted of 7 colors. This we will study in this. So you must have seen and appreciated the spectacular colors in a rainbow. तो सबने रेनबो देखा है, उसमें अलग अलग कलर होते हैं. ओके, हाउ कुड द वाइट लाइट ऑफ द सन गिव अस वेरियस कलर्स ऑफ द रेनबो. सो वाइट लाइट से ये अलग अलग जो कलर हैं हमें वो कैसे मिले. तो यहाँ हमें ये देखना है कि व्हाट इज दिस phenomena and how it happened. Okay, so before we take up this question, we shall first go back to the refraction of light through the prism. तो इसको समझने के लिए हमें कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट थ्रू अ प्रिज्म. The incident, okay, the inclined refracting surfaces of the glass prism show exciting phenomena. जो inclined refracting surface हैं glass prism के, वो आपको एक phenomena दिखाते हैं जिसको हम बोलते हैं dispersion. Okay, that phenomena is dispersion, and dispersion is nothing but splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors. So let us do it through an activity. So take a thick sheet of cardboard and make a small hole or a narrow slit in its middle. तो एक कार्डबोर्ड ले लिया, उसके बीच में एक छोटा सा होल कर दीजिए जो कि नैरो हो. Allow the sunlight to fall on the narrow slit. This will give a narrow beam of white light. इससे हमें एक narrow beam of white light मिलेगी. Now take the prism and allow the white light or the light from the slit to fall on one of its face. Okay, turn the prism slowly until the light that comes out of it appears on the nearby screen. तो वो जो आपने कार्डबोर्ड लिया उसमें एक बीच में छोटा सा होल किया, उससे एक आपको नैरो बीम ऑफ सनलाइट मिली. उसको आपने प्रिज्म के ऊपर गिराया. ठीक है, और प्रिज्म को तब तक हमने टिल्ट किया जब तक उसके नियर बाय स्क्रीन पर उसका आउटकम हमें दिखने ना लगे. ओके, what do observe okay what do you observe, okay, or what do observer observe? You will find a beautiful band of colors. Why does this happen? तो हमें एक band of color मिला. This is the band of color. Okay, and why does it happen? So the white light is allowed to fall on the one of the refracting face of the glass prism, and then it is split into 7 constituent colors as been shown over here. And the prism has been allowed to rotate, or the prism is rotated in such a way that this pattern is obtained on the nearby screen, and this pattern is known as spectrum. Okay, so let us discuss. The prism has probably, okay, the prism has probably split the incident light, which light? White light, into band of colors. Note the colors that appears at the two ends of the color band. Okay, what is the sequence of color that you seen on the screen? So this is the sequence of color over here, and this color sequence is violet, indigo, blue, green. Okay, yellow, orange, red. So acronym from which we can remember it is, or you can say memory aid is VibGyor. VibGyor. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. In these, the violet travels the slowest and the red travels the fastest. The speed of the violet is slowest and the speed of the red is fastest in a particular transparent medium, except air or vacuum. In air or vacuum, we consider all they move at the same speed. So with the help of VibGyor, we can remember the sequence of the color. Okay, the band of colors or colored components of the light beam is known as spectrum. and the process of splitting of white light into 7 constituent color is known as dispersion. So you might not able to see all the colors separately. हो सकता है कि हमें सारे कलर सेपरेटली नहीं दिख पाए, yet something makes each color distinct from the other. So the splitting of light, which light white light into its component colors, okay, is called dispersion, and the pattern which is obtained on the screen is known as spectrum. So you have seen that the white light is dispersed, okay, into 7 colors components by the prism. Why do we get these colors? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि हमें ये कलर मिल रहे हैं? Different colors of light bent through different angles with respect to the incident ray. अलग अलग कलर अलग अलग एंगल पे बेंट होते हैं जब वो रिफ्रैक्टेड होते हैं पहले सरफेस के ऊपर. So at point A, the refraction of light is taking place. These passes through the prism. The red light bends the least because it moves the fastest, while the violet the most because it moves the slowest. Thus, the rays of each color emerge along different path. तो जब ये emerge out होते हैं, emergent ray होती हैं, वो अलग अलग path पे emerge out होती हैं second refracting phase पे, thus become distinct. तो इससे वो अलग अलग दिखने लगती हैं. It is the band of distinct colors that we see in the spectrum. और जो वो पैटर्न हमें मिल रहा है और जो बैंड हमें मिल रहा है स्क्रीन के ऊपर वो अलग अलग कलर्स का है. Isaac Newton was the first to use a glass prism to obtain the spectrum of sunlight. आइजैक न्यूटन फर्स्ट थे जिन्होंने ग्लास प्रिज्म यूज किया था और सनलाइट का स्पेक्ट्रम ऑब्टेन किया था डिफरेंट कलर्स का. He tried to split the colors of spectrum of white light further by using another similar prism. उन्होंने एक और प्रिज्म यूज करके उसको फर्दर स्प्लिट करने की कोशिश की लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. However, he could not get any more colors. Okay. He then placed a identical prism in the inverted position. With respect to the first prism. So this is your first prism and the second prism of identical but in the inverted position as shown in figure 11.6. This is known as recombination of spectrum of white light. Means these colors which are Vibgyor are been again giving the white light. Okay, so let us see how it is work. This allowed all the colors of the spectrum to pass through the second prism. He found a beam of white light emerging from the other side of the second prism. This observation gives Newton that the idea, okay, that the sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Any light that gives a spectrum similar to that of sunlight is often referred to as white light. क्लियर? कोई भी और लाइट जो 7 कलर्स का स्पेक्ट्रम देगी जैसे कि सनलाइट दे रही है तो उसको हम कैसे बोलेंगे? व्हाइट लाइट बोल सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.